welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Sephora haul. If you do want to see what I did purchase during the Sephora VIP sale, then please keep watching. I won't be going in any particular order. I'm just going to be grabbing things from my Sephora bag. The first item is from Pharmacy. This is their Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. This product has 5 stars on Sephora's website. They didn't have any testers to try out at the store. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It does say an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin with lasting hydration. I have very oily skin. Here's what the top looks like. Here's what the bottle looks like. It does come with a spatula. I think this is a magnetic spatula, yeah. It does have that little safety seal. Taking the little spatula, we're gonna scoop some. A little bit. Let's put some on the back of my hand. Let me just put the rest on the back of my hand and be rubbing this in. My skin feels so nice. There is a little bit of a honey scent. It smells good. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm currently using is by Fenty Skin. It's their SPF moisturizer. It's okay. This retails for $45. With my Sephora discount, I purchased it for $36. The next product is by Pharmacy as well. This is their Greenhouse Farm Grown Bestsellers. This is a full size, and then you get 2 little deluxe size products. Here we have a closer look on what the packaging looks like. At the top, you can do a to and from, and then on the back, it tells you a little bit about each item. And then it tells you on the side here how to use, and then on the other side you have it in a different language. On the bottom you do have the ingredients of each item. Let's go ahead and open this. Here's what the kit includes. The first item is the moisturizer. Here's what the moisturizer looks like. This is a glass jar. It's got a little safety seal. This moisturizer is a little bit different than the first one that we tried because this one is gel, and it does have a green tint to it. The green tint does go away. Here's what the moisturizer looks like. The next product is a Cherry Up Vitamin C Eye Cream. Here's a closer look on what the eye cream looks like. I haven't tried their eye cream before. It does have that safety seal. Here's what the inside of the eye cream looks like. Oh, it does feel very bouncy and thick. Interesting texture. There's the eye cream, and this one does have a pink tint to it. This is a glass jar. I will definitely keep you guys updated on this eye cream as well. The last item in this set is the Green Clean Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Here's a closer look on what the cleansing balm packaging looks like. This is a full size. I've tried this cleansing balm in the past, but I don't remember why I didn't repurchase it. And it does come with a spatula, and the inside of the product is green. I did review this product when it did first launch. I'll leave a link right over here in the cards if you guys are interested. Staying with the cleansing balm theme, I purchased another cleansing balm, but this one is from Belief. This is their Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Let's say here on the packaging, 3-step texture changing cleanser. It effectively removes makeup and moisturizes skin after cleansing. That kind of intrigued me, and this also has great reviews on Sephora. Here we have a closer look on what the packaging looks like. Let me open this up so you guys can see the actual product. This one also comes with a little spatula. Here's what the cleansing balm looks like. Let's see the inside. This does come with a safety seal. Let's see what the inside looks like. The inside is blue, whereas the other one was green. Again, I will definitely keep you guys posted. It does smell very good. This is so interesting. So on the Belief Aqua Cleansing Balm, it does say 100 milliliters but 3.3 fluid ounces. And on the Pharmacy one, it says 100 milliliters or 3.4 fluid ounces. Which one of these guys are lying? Right over here on the side, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. They're both cleansing balms. Just wanted to share that. The Belief Cleansing Balm retails for $34, but with my Sephora discount, it was $27.20. And I did forget to mention how much the Greenhouse Holiday Pharmacy set was. So that was $48, and I purchased it for $38.40. Thought it was a good deal, but I guess not. Maybe purchasing the cleansing balm separately would be better. The next item I purchased was the Sephora Favorites Missile Glow set. This was also on my wish list. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave it right over here. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It comes with a little ribbon so you can hang it up on your tree, have somebody go pick it out of the tree. I don't know. It's super cute. And then here's what the back of the packaging packaging looks like. So you get 3 different products. You get the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. You get the Tower 28 full size shine on lip jelly in Magic, and then you get the Milk Makeup mini highlighter in Lit. This comes out like this. Whoops, I guess I dropped a couple. I'm gonna try not to drop it this time, but here we have the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. And then this is what I was most excited for, was the full size of the Tower Beauty Lip Jelly Gloss. And then the third item is from Milk Makeup. This is their highlighter stick. Here's a closer look on what the lip gloss looks like. It says Tower 28 on it. This is a full size. The shade name is on the bottom. The shade name is Magic. Comes with a double-sided applicator. Let's swatch this. It's just a clear gloss with a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna be applying a little bit to my lips, just in the center. Looks really good on my lips. I do want to try this on alone. I'm gonna remove this lip and I'll be right back. I like how shiny this gloss is, and I don't mind little glitter specks. The next item is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Let's see what this is all about. Let's pour some on the back of my hand. If you guys have tried this beauty oil, please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm not sure what this rose gold elixir is supposed to do. Is it supposed to be a moisturizer, a primer? I have no idea. It just says it's a beauty oil on the back of the packaging. Let me know if you guys have tried this. What do you guys use this for? I'm not sure what I'm going to be using this beauty oil for. It feels very greasy and I'm super oily. It doesn't even smell that great. I don't like the scent. Last item that came in this kit is a Milk Makeup highlighter stick. This is in the shade Lit. So teeny tiny. Wow, I expected it to be having a little bit more product. I'm gonna swatch it on this side of my hand since this doesn't have anything. Here's what that highlighter looks like. I'm actually gonna apply some. Blend it out using my finger. It's actually not that bad. This retails for $15 and I purchased it for $12. Next item is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is their Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I wanted to try out the setting spray because this was raved about, hyped about everywhere. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. This retails for $35 and I purchased it for $28. Tells you a little bit about it on this side. It says primes and sets for up to 16 hours. No melting, fading, no creasing. Some bold claims here on the side, and then on the other side it tells you the ingredients, and then on this side it just says Charlotte Tilbury. On the bottom you just have the little barcode. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what this setting spray is all about. You get 100 milliliters or 3.3 fluid ounces. Wait a minute, this has the same amount of product as the cleansing balms, and one of them claimed to have 3.4 ounces more product. It was a pharmacy one. The pharmacy claimed to have 3.4 fluid ounces. I think that was maybe a typo, or maybe they just didn't know. This is plastic. Here's what the back looks like. It tells you the same thing. Here's what the pump looks like. Interesting. Let's give this a good little shake. Oh, there we go. Oh, the mist is so fine. It smells really good too. So far so good. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. The next item is from Bite Beauty. This is their mini lip crayon trio. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. I wasn't expecting to purchase this, but I saw this in store and I was like, oh, what fun packaging. And then here on the other side you have 3 different shades. Then on the top it does tell you the shade names. The bottom is a little barcode on the side. Doesn't really say much. And then on the other side you do have the list of ingredients. I will be doing a review on these lip crayons, so definitely stay tuned for that. There was another set that I wanted to get, but they didn't have it at my store. I think that was online only. I'll leave a picture of it so you guys can see. I did purchase that kit as well, so definitely stay tuned for that review. I'm going to be reviewing both of them together. It retails for $25 and I purchased this for $20. The last item I purchased is from YSL. This is their Touche Éclat Blurring Primer. This is a full size. I did have a deluxe size that I got from the YSL advent calendar. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave it right over here in the cards if you guys are interested. But I'm almost through that and I saw this in store and I was like, should I get it? Should I not get it? I just decided to purchase it. Here's what the packaging looks like. It is gold. Let me show you guys what the bottle looks like. This is a glass bottle. It says Yves Saint Laurent on one side, and then on the other side it says Touche Éclat Blurring Primer. This primer I have been using a lot lately. I just decided to purchase a full size since I was running out of it. This does come with a pump. My local Sephora didn't have a lot of gift sets that I wanted. A lot of the gift sets were Sephora favorites that they had in stock and some other items that I wasn't really into. I placed an order online, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see what that haul looks like. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.